Hi guys, it's me Tech Jake, and today we're looking at something that's small, sleek, and surprisingly powerful for its size. If you've ever dreamed of making barista-level coffee right at home without spending hundreds of dollars on those giant machines you see in cafes, this one's worth checking out. It's the Coffee Machine Milk Frother Kitchen Appliance, an electric foam cappuccino coffee maker. And honestly, it might just change the way you start your mornings. Now, first impressions are huge with any product, and when you take this out of the box, you can tell it's designed to look premium without actually costing you premium dollars. The build is compact and modern, with a design that fits right into any kitchen setup. Whether you've got a clean, minimalist vibe going or a busier, lived-in kitchen, this coffee machine doesn't stick out awkwardly, it blends right in. One of the standout things here is how simple it is to use. You don't need to be a trained barista to get that creamy, foamy coffee you love. With just a few button presses, you're good to go. And that's one of the main reasons why I think this product will appeal to so many people. Coffee isn't just about caffeine, it's about the ritual, the taste, the texture, and that satisfying sip first thing in the morning. And this machine nails that without asking you to spend time learning complicated setups. Let's talk about the frother, because that's really where the magic happens. Frothing milk is one of those things that can make or break your coffee game. Most budget coffee makers skip this step or add some weak attachment that never quite works. But here, the built-in frother actually delivers that smooth, velvety foam you'd expect from a good cappuccino or latte. You can use regular milk, oat milk, almond milk, whatever your preference is, and still get results that feel cafe grade. Another thing I appreciate is the speed. You don't want to wait forever in the morning for your drink, right? This machine heats up quickly, froths quickly, and gets you sipping in just a few minutes. It's efficient without being noisy, which is a big plus if you live with roommates, family, or just want a quiet morning routine. Now, durability. A lot of budget kitchen appliances cut corners here, but this coffee maker feels solid. The components don't feel cheap, and it's easy to clean. The detachable parts make maintenance straightforward, which is something I always look for. Because let's be real, if an appliance is a pain to clean, chances are it'll end up in the back of a cabinet collecting dust. That won't be the case here. Performance-wise, you get consistency. That's one thing I test across multiple cups. Sometimes the first cup is great, but the second or third feels weaker. This machine keeps the quality high across multiple uses, which is impressive at this price point. One of the hidden benefits here is versatility. It's not just about cappuccinos, you can do lattes, macchiatos, or even just heat up milk for hot chocolate if that's your vibe. So, whether you're a hardcore coffee drinker or just someone who wants a cozy drink in the evening, it has you covered. Now, let's address the design one more time. The size is perfect. Not too bulky, not too tiny. It fits on your counter without demanding too much space, which is important if you've already got other appliances sitting around. It also feels like one of those devices you'll want to leave out, because it looks clean and modern. I also want to touch on something important: value. You're not looking at a $1,000 espresso setup here. This is something made for people who want the cafe experience at home without burning through their budget. And from my testing, it delivers far beyond what you'd expect at this price range. Now, of course, no